Jool Baby's Nova Nature Quick Start Guide. This video is not a replacement for the written instructions. It is a supplementary visual aid. For more information regarding assembly and operating, please refer to the provided instructions sheet. To get started, remove your Nova Nature from the box. Ensure you have all the parts that are shown on screen to begin assembly. To start, place both legs over each side of the base. Ensure the tabs are fully inserted into the legs. Next, insert and tighten the provided screws into the leg screw holes. Now, you can insert the swing into the assembled base and attach the toy bar. It is recommended to secure the seat in place by using the lock. To install the toy bar, clip the mounting hooks to both sides of the swing's seat frame. To install canopy and netting, refer to the instructions. With that, your Nova Nature is assembled and ready to be used. Jool Baby, here for your everyday adventure.